Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. Today I want to talk about product presentation. So, if you're in a product business in network marketing, then from time to time there should be a product presentation because it's still a very powerful way to introduce products to customers, to potential clients. So what we do is we invite few people to gather together and we do product presentation, maybe a demonstration, so that they sort of experience products that we represent, so they can try them, feel them, touch them, smell them, and if they like it, they would consider to buy, and if they don't like it, no big deal. But that's one of the best way for people to sort of try and see how these products, how great these products are, and then they would be able to consider to try and buy. Now, there are quite a few people who are not sort of that enthusiastic about doing product presentation. So, what do you do in that case? Maybe you have done many product presentations and you don't have many guests to invite anymore, or maybe you just don't like to do product presentation with your friends and family. Maybe you're not that confident about these products. Maybe you're just starting and you want to sort of learn more. In some cases, there are people who love these things. And unless you ask them, you're not going to know. So what do you do in that case? Well, there is a solution for that. And one of the solutions is that you actually ask somebody else to host a product presentation for you. So it's that simple. So you ask few people, or you send a message, or you announce it, or you post it to social media, and you ask if anybody would be interested to host a product presentation for you. In a return, the host would benefit in some kind of way. And one simple way for a host to benefit is that this host would receive a credit. For example, what we do is you would give them a $4 credit for every guest that they invite and who shows up. So if they have, let's say 10 guests, then you would give them a credit of $40 so that they can choose anything they want to buy from your company or from the catalog that you represent, that you offer, and they would choose something and you would give them that instead of selling them. So there's a lot of people who would like to get some of these products, but maybe they cannot afford, or maybe it's not, I don't know, maybe whatever the reason is, it doesn't matter. But as long as you offer them and as long as you ask them, and if they consider, and if they bring a set of people, a group of people, and you do a presentation, and let's say that 10 people come to this presentation, so they can pick anything they want from the set of products that you're selling, which is pretty cool. So you're happy, you're going to get new clients and potentially new repeat clients, and then the host would be also happy because they're going to get some products and everybody's happy. So hopefully this was useful, and if it is, that's wonderful. You can share or you can subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting more and more useful videos about network marketing that's going to help you grow your business. Other than that, thank you for stopping by and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye.